to be dry, but that's not what I need. Life's so unpredictable.